Hi everyone, I'm Eddie and this is E&S Computers. Today we're going to upgrade this MaBook Pro early 2015 from a 128 gig SSD to a do you believe it's a it's a 512 gigabyte SSD. Now the customer got this off of Amazon due to my suppliers wanting way too much for Apple stuff for some reason. So if you're looking at doing this, I don't generally do this, but because my opinions on Amazon really aren't all that high, but I'll put a link to the item in the description below. And if saying that and you can't see it, then give me a nudge and say, oh, you haven't put it. Right, okay. So that's the bottom off. Now I've done a time machine backup of this already. So now we just need to remove it here, as you can see. And that's that simple bit over. Okay, nice and easy. I've got another one that I need to look at as well, actually, to see what actual type of drive it is in there. Is that sitting in? Yeah. Let's see, yeah. Yeah, that seems to be in. Oops. You don't want to go doing that. Yeah. Dropping a screw is not a wise idea. Oh, there we go. Just needed a little persuasive push. And right, so that is that one now in. And that's that back on. And that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little clip. and take care. Please click like and subscribe, and see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.